it recording?
Yeah, not yet. Oh, it is recording. It just started on its own. Stay there.
Very good. Going for this. That's food. Nearly done. Okay.
Oh, I need that water. I'm gonna use it. No? What do you need it for? Okay. I was gonna wet the rag with it.
Haha.
Do you need all of it, Mimi? No. Just I can scoop some out there. We don't waste food.
You want to put it in Tupperware?
She eats the plate too.
Yeah.
You have to read the story to her because she likes it.
No, I don't.
Yeah, she looks at the picture. Ooh, what's that? Don't let her touch it.
It's Peter Rabbit.
Read the story, read the
Peter
story,
was
read
not
the
very...
story.
Shush! Peter was not very well during the evening. His mother put him to bed and made him some chamomile tea.
Oh, Peter! Can you give her a little more there?
No, it's done. Here, chew this spoon.
Mmm. Say all done. All gone. Yay. All gone.
Look. All done.
If you want to warm that up. That rag.
Right.
You can warm it up with hot water. It's entirely up to you.
Don't try to eat it. No. No. Gimme.
What are you doing? It doesn't work like that.
It's just ha.
Hmm?
Boo. Yesterday she was getting all excited.
Still recording.